It's fall 2023. This is Measurements and Automation, Project 4. For this project, we have to simulate a step motor. It rotates 30 degrees each time it's activated. We have to use a drum and math instruction to show the rotation of the step motor from 0 to 360. You'll see in my program when it gets to 360, it automatically resets to 0 because 0 and 360 coincide. The rotation should start with the start button. This is the simulated start button. And if any interruption happens, i.e. the start button is released or set to 0, set to off, then the current point of the step motor becomes 0 degrees. So we can look at this right now. So right now, the start button is off, so nothing is happening. We can set this to on, write the value. You'll see the drum ticks forward. It's going to tick through 12 steps and then reset. You'll see that the reset is controlled by both the C3 start button as well as the C1 output of the drum. So if the C3 is set off, it will reset. And if this is on, as you saw before, when it gets to C1, it will reset as well. Now here within our interrupt program, this is where the actual 30 degrees are simulated. So here we have this add function, which is controlled by C2, which is the output of this drum, as you can see. And each time it activates, each time it goes from one step to the next, it adds 30 degrees. And you saw just there, when it got to 360, it instantly triggered back to 0. In addition, anytime the start button is released, the degrees of the motor will be set to 0. So you can see here, go from 210, 240, and then to 0 when the start button is released. And that is all.